Hi everyone, this is Valerie and this is one more video for your business to start growing. This time we're going to help you make sales team become friends with the marketing team. I know pretty well this is a great problem in almost any team wherever you go. A sales team is not a friend with the marketing team and vice versa. They are always having arguments and they do not often understand each other, and this is a sad situation because teams should actually work on one and the same goal all together without any doubts and without any negative or even toxic moments. So in this video I'm going to start telling you about the mistakes our sales and marketing teams did before they finally became friends. So let's start. Mistake number one, they didn't understand completely what was happening with the lead on other steps of the funnel they were not responsible for. So the marketing team generated some leads and then passed it to the sales team. And the sales team was like, what? What the leads are talking about? We do not understand how to work with them, and they were losing the conversion rates. Indeed, that was a disaster for the whole team and the company itself. So we decided to work this out. So the decision was pretty simple. We built the funnel and described what is happening on different stages and how different teams work with the leads on those stages. As a result, it helped the marketing team plan the marketing campaigns in a very thorough and accurate way so that the sales team doesn't suffer from it and the sales team knows exactly how to work with the leads that were generated by the marketing team. So how it works, the marketing team plans the ad campaign and they are notifying the sales team 7 days before they are launching it. This is the time for the sales team to get ready with the scripts, to get ready with the demo, to get ready with the calls, the messages, whatever is going to happen with the communication with the generated leads, right? And once everything is planned, the marketing team pushes the button and the leads generated and they are passed to the sales and the sales team enjoys the conversion rate boosting. So here you can use Miro for building the sales funnel. Also, you're going to use Slack for the communication and notification. And don't forget that you can use Dashly for the segmentation of the traffic you're getting. Mistake number two, the teams were not generating the hypotheses together. Like they did it, but did it apart from each other in different rooms. Sometimes on different planets. So how it was, the marketing team generated some ideas and they were even not thinking about what was going to happen with the leads on the next steps. And the sales teams also could generate some hypos and they were not realizing how this hypo was to be tested without the marketing team. These actions should be created all together, right? So indeed, weekly, now they're creating some hypos to test all together. And it helps them to understand what is going to happen with the lead on all the stages of the funnel and what communication is going to be built on every step of it. Mistake number three. Well, I guess that is something that is happening pretty often. The teams do not give feedback to each other. Well, this means they do not exchange the information about what is good, what is bad, what should be improved, what was happening with the hypo that was initiated 2 weeks ago, or how the leads from a certain ad campaign went through the funnel, and what conversion rate was reached. So that is totally demotivating sometimes. Like really, the marketing team does something, then passes the leads to the sales team, and sales team doesn't say anything about the leads. That is not the type of situation that should happen in your company. Please put your teams all together and make them speak about the activities they did together. Well, actually, this is something that gives plenty of insights for both of the teams. I know that in our team, this type of meeting was called a committee of leads. And the members of the committee were talking about the leads in details, of course. So that was pretty much insightful. Well, that is it for today. I actually have 3 more mistakes to tell you about. So if you don't want to miss this video, don't forget to subscribe and also push the notification button. See you in the next videos. Bye!